Good morning to all. Welcome to geography class. Today we'll continue the next, the same chapter only, properties of seawater. The remaining question answers will solve. I hope my screen is resembling for all.
Yes, teacher.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir. Okay. Please turn your textbook page number 56. Page number 56. Yeah, question number, yesterday we, yes, the salinity increases. Question number 3 we started. Answer the following questions. What are the first question? What are the factors affecting the salinity of seawater? Okay. I will show the answers. Better you turn your textbook page number 53. Yes. Yes, the 3 points. This 3 point is more important for this lesson: yellow, green, and blue. Yesterday I given these answers. Just once again I'm remembering you all. Page number 53, question number 3A. That yellow, green, and blue answers. Okay, that is repeating answers for 4 questions. Now we are going to see the second questions, 3B. Explain the distribution of salinity around the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. Explain the distribution of salinity around the Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. That one, question number 3B. Yes, you have to write. Okay. Take a screenshot, otherwise you have to write. I will give for the time. Just I'm explaining the salinity of sea around the Tropic of Cancer is around 36%. Okay, high temperature, the high rate of evaporation and landlocked nature of the seas Abstracting the free movements of ocean currents cause more salinity. I already told you, around the Tropic of Cancer, there is the mid, it is very closer to the mid latitude zone also. There is more salinity because of the reasons it is surrounded by many desert areas. The high rate of evaporation and landlocked sea also one more reasons. It doesn't allow to the free movement of ocean currents. In comparison, the salinity of sea around Tropic of Cancer is about 35%. Salinity means percentage. Around Tropic of Capricorn. The proportion of land is less in southern hemisphere. Okay. As a result of ocean currents, control the salinity around Tropic of Capricorn. Okay. This is a southern part of the, this is a southern region of our Earth. Okay. The next one, that means a Tropic of Cancer and Tropic of Capricorn. It lies 23.5 degree north and south. Okay. It is closer to the mid latitude zone. It is not a equatorial region or tropic region. It is next to tropical region, otherwise next to equatorial regions. There is more salinity because of that. What it is surrounded by many desert also. There is more chances for landlocked seas. Okay, there is a more chances for the landlocked seas also there in that region, mid latitude regions. Okay, the next one, question number 3C. What are the factors affecting the temperature of the seawater? Okay, what are the factors affecting the temperature of the seawater? Page number 50. Turn your textbook, page number 50. I hope you all take the screenshot, no, this answer. So 3C, the first point is, I'm not given any shade. Okay, I'm not given any shade that you can able to easily find out. That green color single line, the temperature is the major properties of seawater. The surface temperature of the seawater is not uniform everywhere. Up to there, first point. Okay, green color too, it's not uniform everywhere. That is the first point of question number 3C. The second point is third paragraph. Okay, third paragraph. See the green color. Cyclones, rainfall, sea waves, ocean currents, salinity, pollution, conventional currents, seasons, etc. also affect the surface temperature of ocean currents. Also have similar effects on temperature of the seawater. That is the second point of your question. Question number 3C. And third point, the regions where next only. Okay, below that point only, the regions where. Okay. In regions where cold ocean currents flow, the surface temperature of the ocean water is less, while the regions where warm current move, the temperatures increases. Same, this is the, you have to understand the question first. Question number 3C. What are the factors affecting the temperature of the seawater? Okay, the seawater temperature, the surface seawater of the temperature is different to place. Okay, because of tropical regions, it is high, but mid latitude regions, comparing to tropical region, it is low. Polar region is very low. Because of what? Cyclones, rainfall, sea waves, ocean currents, salinity, pollution, conventional current. Okay, seasons. These all factors, it's affect the surface water temperature. Okay, next we'll see the second, fourth question, 3D. Page number 56. I will read the question first. Yes, 3D. Explain the changes occurring in the temperature of seawater according to the depth. Okay, according to the depth, how the seawater temperature is varying. So take the page number that is density. Okay. Temperature of the seawater according to the depth. Yes, come. Page number 51 only. Take page number 51. See, there is the paragraph, okay, the geographical explanation. There is the paragraph, second paragraph. The temperature of the seawater changes rapidly. With the depth of the equatorial areas, the difference temperature is lesser in polar areas. That is the first point of this question. There is no colors are there, okay, there is no marking. The temperature of the seawater in that paragraph is the first point. And third point is, while most of the sun seen in above, as a result, okay, I was underlined that that yellow line, no, as a result, the intensity of sun rays decreases with increasing depth. Temperature decreases up to 2000 meter depth. After 2000 meter depth, the temperature of the seawater is uniform everywhere. It is around 4 degrees Celsius everywhere from the equatorial region to polar areas. So everywhere, okay, below the 2000 meter depth of the sea, there is an equal temperature range all over the regions, whether it is equatorial region, whether it is tropical, subtropical, otherwise polar, there is a 4 degrees Celsius according to the depth. And therefore, the water is greater depth does not freeze. Okay, that animals, the sea animals, no, like sea creatures also can able to survive in these conditions. And the third point is above that yellow color, the starting from, while most of the sun rays radiate back from surface of the sea, some of them penetrate to the certain depth in the water. That is the third point. Because of these reasons, so that seawater temperature is equal for all over the regions. Okay, can you get it? I think so. And turn the page number again. Question exercise page 56. Question number E. Okay. Answer question number 3E. Name the factors affecting salinity. What are the factors affecting? Yes. What are the factors affecting salinity? Already I explained the same thing only. The factors, no. Page number 50. Cyclones, rainfall. Just now before I explained you now that same things. That is only factors affecting the salinity. Yes, you see the cyclones, green color marking. Okay, third paragraph. Beside these, cyclones, rainfall, sea waves, ocean currents, salinity, pollution, conventional currents, seasons, etc. also affect the surface temperature of the ocean currents and along with the temperature. Okay, that all this all will affect the salinities. And then you can add some more points that is very important. These 3 points also, salinity. Okay, better. What are the factors affecting the salinity? Key question 3. Question number 3 and E. This 3 point also very important again. So explain the temperature, and the next question number 4. Explain how temperature affects the following. The density of seawater. Okay, the density of seawater means page number 55. the density of seawater, the paragraph, density paragraph. Okay, the density paragraph, page number 55. Yes, this paragraph, whole paragraph. Temperature and salinity are the two properties. Already we studied more. Okay, what is temperature? How the temperature affects the surface seawater. Then the salinity. Okay, the 3 points are more important for salinity and temperature. For the 6 factors, it's can affect the temperature of the ocean currents. Now density. See, the temperature and salinity are two properties of seawater and control the density. See, we studied more things about for temperature and salinity. This is the two main factor. It affects the density of seawater. If the temperature reduces, the density of water increases. That means what? A normal water, it is different from the ice cubes. Okay, and then the cold water is denser and so is saline water. As compared to salinity, the temperature effect density is more. See, the normal water weight is different from the dissolved in the salt water. Okay, the same like the density also increases. While the water is more saline, automatically the water is too density also. Sometimes more saline water has a lower temperature at the surface, but still the density of such water is more than other water because it is mixture of more salt. On the contrary, the seawater having the higher temperature and low salinity can have lower density. Okay, higher temperature and low salinity, that also lead to the lower density. Then the salinity of seawater, the salinity of seawater, that we already studied, the same 3 points only. Page number 53, the salinity of seawater, page number 53, the same answer only. Okay, so these 3 points are very important points in this lesson. And then next one, again I have to explain about you one more thing. Question number 3D, explain the changes occurring the temperature of seawater according to the depth. Okay, this is also one more reason, according to the depth. There is, we are seeing the temperature below 2000 meters, there is a equal temperature 4 degrees Celsius. Like density also. Here I will explain you. See, there is some points are given in the depth of the seawater. You know, the density of water is depend upon the temperature and salinity. If you shade a graph carefully, you will realize after the certain depth, there is no change in this factor according to the depth. Okay, wherever the depth is increasing, there is no change. Because density also affect two main factors. One is the temperature, another one is the salinity. So the remaining is same only. So there are up to 500 meter depth, there is the salinity level also increasing, decreasing according to the temperature changes and salinities. Okay, but below the 500 meters, no, there is no more changes. The curves graphs were verifying for all 3 factors, but below the depth 1000 meter, there is no change in all 3 factors. Okay, see, whether it is the temperature is decreasing to 20 to 24 degree temperature and below the 1000 meter, that is equal. Same only, compare this one. If the temperature is increasing, it goes for salinity is increasing 35.5% of salinity, and below the 1000 meter, it is remaining same only. And density also the same only. See, the density also same only, the water density, that means how much the water is denser. So this is also below the 1000 meter, it is no more change. So the temperature, even density, everything is depend upon the depth of the water also. Okay, so we completed this lesson whole. Okay, now we have a time, so I can revise the lesson. Economics, page number 64, Introduction to Economics. this lesson. Introduction to Economics, page number 64. Yes. Now you can see what is the introduction of economics. For which of you wishing to build a farm? Okay, any one of you. Before we have to, what we have to decide, does the first sit down and calculate the cost, whether he has sufficient means to finish it. Economics means from that flash idea, it comes from our mind is first money. Okay, here I want to give you some terms, economics terms. That's all already we finished. Okay, sources of income. Income is the one more term, and expenditure is the one more term. And the sources of income means we can get income from various sources like wages, salary, profit, rent. Okay. Expenditure means what we can incurred expense means that means we can buy something and we can spend the money in the knowledgeable way. That is expenditure. So budget. Budget, it has a two types. One is a surplus budget, one is a deficit budget. Sorry, three types. Another one is the balance budget. Okay. And income means green color and expenditure is yellow color, but here I given the blue color. Okay. The first one is only changed. Surplus budget means what? More income, less expenditure. Okay. That is also, then we can see some amount in our hand. Okay. Deficit budget means what? Income is less. At the same time, our expenditure is high. That means we have to borrow money from some other ways. That is not a good condition of budget. Okay. Deficit budget. Balance budget means what? Income and expenditure is equal. Okay. How much we are earning, that much we are spending. We don't have any in our hand, anything, nothing in our hand after the spending. So here I explained about for the family budget, how do you maintain your family budget? That is up to your hand, whether it is surplus budget, whether it is deficit, whether it is balance. According to, we can decide our expenditure. Okay. Now that economics means what? Economics means what? It is a oikonomia, that is a Greek word that means family management. Oikonomia, that means family management. Yeah. So family management means what? Lot of similarity between family management and economics. Okay. Now, how to use time, money, land, and labor. This is the sources of our income, no? So we already know about for this basic needs, whatever basic needs we are recover. We cannot able to adjust for those things. Okay. That is food, clothes, shelter, and water. That is very necessary for our lives. Next, he is Lionel Robinson. He is the father of economics and the science. What he says about for the economics, the science which studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scare means which have alternative uses. Same, that means what? How much resources we have, that much only we can able to enjoy our life. Okay. It is very closely related to the resources. Even Earth, here you see, there is an individual and a multi-ends and a scarce of means limited resources. Unlimited wants, unlimited resources. I can give the petrol, okay? So natural oil, any crude oil, anything. How much it's available on the earth vessel, that much able to we can use, okay? Once it ends, we cannot able to get the crude oil from anywhere, okay? That means the scarce means what? Limited resources. Multiple ends means what? Our wants. We want more things. Okay. Unequal and varying importance, alternate use and problems choice. Economics is a problem solution also there. So the human behavior and economics, this all links with each one another. Uses of money. So how can we use our money in wise way? For savings, purchasing luxurious good, education, buying house, hospitalization, retirement, vacation, which is very necessary. We have to give the criteria first, okay, for savings or anything. Buying luxurious good, I think so, it is not so important. So which one is the most important? We give the preference for that. So resources means what? Needs means what? How satisfy the infinite needs with the people of using various resources, the study matter of economics. Okay, in our wants are never comes end. Okay, but we can able to control ourselves. Okay, then another one criteria, very important things in economics is production, distribution, consumption. So, okay, production, distribution, and consumptions, it is very closer to related our wants, our needs. Okay, and then what? Another one is demand and types of economic system. It is very interesting. Three types of economic system that countries all over the world, the countries are following according to their economic status. See, capitalized economy, socialized economy, mixed economy. This is the different types of economic system. Capitalistic economics means, economy means what? That ownership and management of means of production is hands of private individuals. There is a no government interfere. Okay, everything is handled and managed by the private individuals. Okay, main aim is and maximum profit, like USA, Germany. So, okay, they are following the capitalized economy. That means there is a no controls over the government things. Everything is handled and managed by the private individuals. So, like corporate companies, they can earn more profit. Okay, it is also not it is not suitable for like India. Okay, we have a more manpower country, our population is more. So according to that, we have to select our economy system. These two, Germany, Japan, USA, that are developed countries. Okay, cost of living and personal income, even that per capita income, national income, it is comparing to our country, India, it is very high level. Okay, so they can able to follow like that system, capitalist economy, but it is not suitable for every country. Next one is the socialistic economy. The means of this, the means of production belong to the society as whole. The government's control, like military government, uh, China is following that, like that country. Soviet Union also, there is a rule of military government rule. Okay, they will not, the common people, they will not get more freedom. Okay, the main aim to achieve social welfare. China, Russia have adopted socialistic economy. Okay, everything is controlled and managed by the government enterprise. The next one is the mixed economy. This is very beautiful economy system. Coexistence of private and public sector. Okay, coexistence of mixed economy means coexistence of private and government sectors. Okay, that means two. Public also can earn through the public office, public controlling system is also there. At the same time, private also. In example, see, we have a government schools and we have a private schools in our country. Government hospitals and private hospitals. In railway, anything, even airways, everything is, it's controlled by government also. It's controlled by private. Some companies are existent to the private also in light. Okay, this is most of the developing nations, they are following mixed economy system. India, Sweden, United Kingdom have adopted mixed economy. There is the main aim is what? Profit and social welfare. A balance between profit and social welfare. Profit also very important. At the same time, social welfare also very important. Okay. Okay, we can choose according to our economy system. That okay. Now what? Now we can. Okay. Now I explain more things. That one thing I have to explain about that. So here are some more pictures about for mixed economy. See, the co-survival of public and private sectors, economic planning, safeguarding of consumer rights and protection of labor rights. Even socialistic economy also, how the government is goods go back to the workers, goods are owned by government, determiners, wants, need, resources, people, competition, decades. Okay, this is for the socialistic economy system. Types of budget already. So the next one is, wait. Yes. Okay, now I am going to explain about for the functions of economy. Okay, always be remembered, economy is the important, and this point is there in your book, page number 65. Always remember that only. Economy is an important social subject. We use economics on a large scale in agricultural, trade, finance, administration, law, in our daily life. Economics hold a paramount of importance to the social development of humans. Okay, these are the main points. You should remember those points. Next one is the globalization. Globalization means what? The globalization means building a world economy. That economy is not ends with the country level. It is not ends with the continent. It is cross the sea. Globalization, it joined to the every nations. The world economy is borderless economy, which natural resources, profit, service, capital, labor, and technology flow freely, access borders of countries. Yes, no, we can buy anything from anywhere else through the Amazon. Okay, this is called globalization of economy. Here you see borderless. Okay, and means aligning the country's economy with the world economy. So we can buying and selling our goods from any other countries also. Like so world level countries, you know, KFC, Amazon, and then what, Starbucks, coffee. They have branches all over the countries. Okay, these are, and then already I explained about for the functions of our economy. The functions of economy means distribution of the national income according to the social, economic, and justice, making appropriate provisions for the economy needs the future, deciding the whom the goods will be produced, for whom, what, when, where. This all the questions, it comes through the economy. Okay, so okay, now I completed the functions of economy. Means what? How it functions, the production, and see, in whom we have to produce, what amount we have to produce, and how much rate we have to decide. This all coming under to the economics. Now turn up your question answer sections. Exercise page number 66 in your textbook. Please turn it. Yes, this. Okay, I want to show the answers, the circle diagram. They explain the types of economy by filling the correct information in the place of the question in the circle. It's divided into 3 parts. Okay, one is I think so. We find out the answers. Wait. Yes. Here it is given. Okay, you have to write, otherwise take a screenshot. One is the capital economy, mixed economy, socialist economy. So what are the criterias according to that economy? The first point is balance between profit and social service, mixed economy, and socialist economy, achieving the social welfare, capital, it is on maximum profit. Now I am explaining everything for the capital economy. The second is managed in private hands. And third point is which are the country, Germany, Japan, and USA. Like mixed economy also, coexistence of private and public sectors, and following countries are India, Sweden, and United Kingdoms. Socialist economy, that management in the hands of government, China and Russia. Please take the screenshot. The next one, give an explanation. Economy begins at home. Okay, this is the 3 points. It is taken from your textbook only. Turn the page number 64. Yes, page number 64. You see the geographical explanation, that point. See, you have to, the second paragraph, the word economy means from the Greek word oikonomia, which means family management. There is a lot of similarity between family management and economics. You have to underline those points, okay? The next one is India's economy is mixed type economy. One second, I will show the answer. Yes, question number 2. Here is there. Why India's economics is mixed type economy? I already explained you. We have a public related economic activities also there. At the same hand, we have a private individuals also handling some economical factors, like there is the coexistence of public and private, public sector and private sector in the Indian economy. The ownership and management of production are divided between government and the private individuals. We have a government hospitals, very big government hospitals. At the same time, private hospitals also there. All the facilities available in government's sectors also. At the same time, they are given the freedom of private individuals also. Private sectors undertakes production of the profit motive, whereas the state tries to achieve the social welfare. Yes, in private sectors, they are profit makers, corporate companies, okay? They earn more and more monies from the public, but public services are served to the public, okay? They are nothing to expectations, but they are serving the public. In this way, we have a futures of both capitalist economy and socialistic economy. Okay, so we are having a both the economic system. Therefore, it's said to be India has mixed economy. India has mixed economy. Now the question number 3. On the basis of economics, we can divide countries into 3 groups. Take the page number. Yes, page number this one. 65. There is a 3 color columns are there, no? Yellow, blue, orange. Types of economy. That one, okay? The next one is question number 3. Write the following questions in one line. Write the following questions in one line. Okay, which in one line? To which economic factor in the management of individual or family finances related? Which economic factor? It is very individual and family factors related. Page number 64. Okay, page number 64. See the geographical explanation paragraph, first paragraph. Okay, the individual or family finances, third line, mainly related to income and expenditure. Okay, economic factors lead to the birth of economics. Only income and expenditure, that is the family factor. It is very closely related with the family finance system, income and expenditure. From which Greek word is the term of economics derived? Oikonomia. It is already given in the next paragraph only. Geographical explanation, second paragraph. That means family management. Yeah, that means family management. The next one, in capitalistic economy, to whom does ownership and management? We know already. Okay, see there is a blue one, the second point, that first point only. That means the production belong to society as a whole. Sorry, capitalistic economy, yellow color, sorry. The ownership and management of means of production is hands to the private individual. Completely, it's come under to the private individuals. Developed countries, they are following this economic system. So you have to write private individuals. Third answer, question number 3.3. And what do you mean by globalization? See, globalization of economy. Okay, in this paragraph, see, globalization means, second line, third line, globalization means building a world economy. World economy is a borderless economy in which natural resources, profit, services, capital, labor, and technology flow freely across borders of country. Globalization means aligning the country economy with the world economy. There is a free trade and all the industrialization. It is all, you don't need to write. I'm just explaining only one word, one line. What do you mean by globalization? Globalization means building a world economy. Globalization means what? Building a world economy. That one line is more than enough for the answer in one line. Okay. Okay, I completed the today's. Yeah. Students, you all are understood, I think so. We revised the properties of seawater and introduction to economics lessons. So have you got it, all the answers from the book behind exercise? Okay, all the best for your studies. I completed my 2 lessons. Okay.